Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm at Apex 2017. I'm joined by Dennis Gradler from Kimball. Dennis, thanks for joining us.
Oh, thanks for having us.
You take care of the industrial division. What kind of areas does that cover, and what's unusual about that division compared to the rest of the products you're producing?
So as you know, the industrial segment can be very large, so we define it a lot into energy efficiency type products, harsh industrial controls, controls that have to work in very extreme environments, heavy heat, frigid cold, or chemical or explosion areas, and so really requiring heavy durability.
Okay.
And then we also get into what we call transactional efficiency type products. So products that connect the user a lot closer to the end. So like smart metering, kiosk technologies where a person can come in and place an order and it automatically goes back to the cook to start cooking it. So all those areas where you're taking out some unneeded steps in the business transactions.
Okay, and one of the elements that comes across as being true in all of those is I was going to say hostility, but the challenge of some of the environments they're used in. Does that impact a lot on the way you manufacture, the way you test, the way you design the products?
Yeah. So we like to get involved very early on for the design for manufacturability, the design for excellence, we call it. Looking at the supply chain, making sure that the components, are they temperature rated, and that to be in the field where they're going to be used, and helping our customers out there. A lot of this product will take some type of encapsulation, so it might be hermetically sealed with ultrasonic welding. It may have potting or conformal coat that are used to help protect the product from the environment. So we want to get involved very early on, understand what it's going through, and then help the customers. Also have a very extensive reliability lab in our Jasper, Indiana facility that we can bring all of our products into, test them into the kind of environments and that they're going to see out in the real world.
Okay, and is this a sector that is growing in the US? And what about Central America, for example? Where do you operate down there?
Okay, so it is growing, in the U.S. Marketplace, and that is more and more product that maybe didn't need electronics and that on it before. Yeah. So heavily mechanical in nature are now, in order to meet the new regulations, are going to have to add electronics like efficient motors, smart metering, transactional type products where before you just walked into a person, they punch in your order. Now you have all this electronics and that are driving it. So you're seeing a lot more electrification, coming into the industrial products.
Okay, and what about Central America, for example? Is that an area you cover?
We're seeing more and more of these same types of products and stuff, going a lot more regulations around energy efficiency and that drifting, into Central America. A lot of that product, we currently manufacture out of our Reynosa, Mexico facility, to support Central and South America.
Okay, good stuff. Well, sounds like a interesting business and one that's going to keep you very busy. Dennis, thanks for talking to me, and thank you for your time.
Oh, thank you.